Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about GameFi, NFT games, how to quit your job just to play game, how to earn $500 a day just playing ordinary game. Before we go into exciting things like this, smash the like button. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button so that this video will be pushed to more and more people. In this video, we'll be discussing GameFi. What's GameFi? GameFi. Some people call it game fee. Whatever you choose to call it, what is it? Before I go into details about GameFi, let's see some news. So you can see this is on CoinDesk, the NFT game that makes sense for Filipinos during COVID. People in the Philippines are earning cryptocurrency during the pandemic by playing a video game. Axie Infinity players in the Philippines may have to start paying tax on trading pets. And I will put a screenshot of this documentary to show you how people are earning money just by playing games. So you can see from different news agencies that our friends in the Philippines are making a lot of money just playing games. And the whole concept of earning money while you play game is called GameFi. It's a fusion of gaming and finance. It means play to earn, which means as you are playing game, your account balance will be receiving some tokens, some NFT, some money, some dollars, some pesos. It's not enough to just entertain yourself by playing the game, but it's equally smart to play the game and earn money. And that whole concept is what we call GameFi. You can monetize your skill and at the same time have fun. I'm a YouTuber and a digital creator. I enjoy teaching. While I teach and you are listening to me now, I make some money. So the same thing also happens for people that play games. So while you play game, you can equally earn some money, and that's what we call GameFi. But in my own case, I think I should call it TeachFi. What do you think? So in order to understand this whole concept of playing game and earning money, it would be nice to start with NFT. What is NFT? NFT simply means non-fungible token. It means that you have a unique asset on the blockchain. Anybody can have a black pen, but if you think yours is unique or you're the creator of this black pen, it can be a physical item or a digital item. As long as you are the creator of it, you can list it on the blockchain and list yourself as the creator. It means that people cannot steal your creation. So the blockchain is a chain of blocks that cannot be edited. So once something is recorded on the blockchain, it will be there permanently. It cannot be erased, it cannot be destroyed, it cannot be altered. So once you register yourself as the creator of this pen or whatever object that you create, it can be music, audio, song, images, videos, several things. It can be online or physical. It can even be real estate for you to know that the dimension of what an NFT can be is not limited to just the digital realm. So you list it on the blockchain that you are the creator. So it's a token, which means it's an item that's resident on the blockchain. In this case, it's non-fungible. Non-fungible means it's unique, is special, is one of a kind. The blockchain enables us to prove ownership of items. So if you create something and that thing goes viral, it's very easy for other people to claim that the one that created that item, that music or that audio. But if you're able to record it on the blockchain, as long as the blockchain cannot be edited, which it is, what you've created will be yours forever. So you can sell it to other people and make money from it. It sounds like a simple concept, but it's making a lot of money as people are creating different items on OpenSea and are making a lot of money by selling it. I know you've heard about Yacht Ape and all kinds of ape that people are creating on the internet and selling it for $1 million, $1 billion, and $1 trillion. That's how NFT work. But in this case, we are applying it to games. Why gaming? The gaming industry has more than 2 billion users on a yearly basis and generate more than $200 billion on a yearly basis. So because a lot of people play games and the market is huge, so it would be nice for us to introduce cryptocurrency, blockchain, and NFT into the gaming industry. So which means that as you play game, you can own assets. So you won't just play game for entertainment. You can own the avatar, you can own the clothing, you can own the shoe that the avatar is wearing. You can own some items in the game that you can sell to other people that play the game and make money from it. Is it not a wonderful concept that you can just play game and own a component of the game? So that's the way the world of NFT actually works. It enables you to own some items in the game. It can be a hat, it can be a shoe, it can be a pen, any item. As long as it's unique, you can own it in the game and you can sell it to other people that want to acquire that thing from you. And of course, the money will land in your account balance. Bagada. So when it comes to NFT game, there are a lot of games now that exist. We have Sandbox, we have Decentraland, and most common is Axie Infinity. I'll talk about Axie Infinity in a moment. You can earn money by just partaking in these games like battling experiences where one avatar or a group of avatar is fighting another avatar or groups of avatar. And it's very common with Axie Infinity, with CryptoBlades, with yield games. It's like a battling contest. We equally have Axie Infinity breeding, whereby you bring two axes to breed together to produce an offspring, and that offspring may have a higher value than even the parents. Of course, you can sell it and make money from it. We equally have ordinary games like collectible cards. Any kind of game that you think exists in our modern world are being duplicated or replicated to exist on the blockchain. And the reason why they're making it to be on the blockchain is for the whole world to have access to it. So if there's a game, for example, that exists in the US, for rules and regulation and tax purposes, they may not allow the game to play in the UK. They may not allow the game to play in Australia. But if the game is on a blockchain, it means the whole world can have access to it. So there's no longer a country boundary, no longer tax law to hinder the project. So anyone and everyone can have access to this game. So in the course of playing all these games, like Sandbox, Roblox, Axie Infinity, there are all kinds of games that exist. Think of the typical game that you play, but in this case, it's resident on a blockchain, which is a decentralized ledger that its information cannot be edited or redacted. You can earn tokens by playing this game. If you partake in some activities, if you win some challenges, if you fight and you fight well, if you hit somebody, boom, another person hit you, boom. If you know how to battle very well in all these games, you can play excellently well and earn a reward. So in our current world, if you play a game, you just earn like virtual reward, almost like there's nothing to do with it. They will say, hey, plus 1,000 points. But in this case, that plus 1,000 points is converted to dollars that can be sent to your account. So you can cash out by just playing games. So you can earn tokens. You can also earn NFT, non-fungible tokens, items that are unique. So sometimes it's like 1,000 points that you earn, which you can convert to dollars. That's what we call token. Also, it can be some special object. Maybe you can earn the shoe of the avatar. You can earn a new spade. You can earn even the head of the avatar, if it's possible. So you can earn some unique items in the game so that you look as if you're just only earning points. You are also earning real objects. Those objects are called non-fungible, that are unique, that you can sell in NFT marketplaces like OpenSea, Rarible, and several others in order to earn real money for just selling the item. And people ask, who will I sell the item to? There are other people that are interested in the game. So they are happy to buy it from you. It's just for you to acquire the item, and they're already waiting for you in NFT marketplaces to acquire it from you at any price that you want. Also, people earn from this game by spending a long time playing the game. So the more time you are spending, there can be a reward. So if you spend 2 hours on the game, you earn $2, you earn $10, depending on the kind of game that you are playing. So there are different ways that people are earning through these games. But the most popular way that people earn through gaming is through Axie Infinity. And the story I read to you at the beginning that involved Filipinos making a living just from playing game actually made a huge news that made people to be aware that you can earn money by just playing games. Axie Infinity is one of the most popular games that exist out there, that a lot of people are earning money by just playing game. So what's the game like? You can start the game by acquiring 3 axes. And if you don't have the money to buy 3 axes, you can get a scholarship from Axie Infinity developers. So you can go for a scholarship and get 3 axes that you can use to play the game. So you can buy these three axes from Axie Infinity marketplaces, from Binance and other places like that. That will be your starter team. So with these three axes that you've acquired, they're like three cute avatar, three cute axes that you can use to battle other axes. And if you're able to battle other axes and win, you'll be rewarded with smooth love portion. SLP in short. Also, you can also earn this smooth love portion by completing some tasks in the game. Overall, this smooth love portion is needed in order to breed two axes together to produce a unique and a rare axis. And that unique and rare axis can also be sold in the marketplace. So people earn majorly by playing game. If you win an opponent, of course, who pays the loser? So if you win an opponent, they pay you some amount of money in the form of SLP, Smooth Love Portion. It's a token, an ERC20 token, which means Ethereum request for comment. It just means that it's a fungible token that you can sell. So people are buying it and selling it on the screen. You can see the Smooth Love Portion. So the way you can buy and sell Bitcoin, you buy and sell Ethereum, Dogecoin, or any other cryptocurrency. The same way work for Smooth Love Portion. So it's a token that you earn by playing Axie Infinity when you win or when you complete certain tasks in the game. So all you need to do is just to set this Smooth Love Portion on exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and get some dollars in your bank account. People ask, what do people use this Smooth Love Portion for? I told you that Smooth Love Portion is needed in order to breed two axes together to produce a unique axis, somewhat like to produce a child. And the new axis can have better qualities, and if it's rare, it can actually be very expensive. How expensive? One axis that's rare can cost more than the price of your house. Yes, it can cost more than $1 million. For you to know how much is possible, people need that Smooth Love Portion to breed these two axes. A lot of people are making money by just playing this game, that it has become a full-time job in the Philippines. In the Philippines, you can earn about $50 or $100 per day by just playing Axie Infinity. And let's convert it to pesos, which is the currency of the Filipinos. So if you earn $100 per day, that's about 5,000 Philippine pesos. Wow! So imagine you, in one day you are earning about half the average salary. So which means that in 1 month, that becomes 5,000 times 20 or times 30, depending how you choose to multiply it. That's about 150,000 pesos. So which will motivate you to quit your job in order to keep playing game, because it's as if you're earning more just playing game than the amount of money that you earn from your day job that you stress yourself 9 to 5. But I don't play the game, so please, before you start playing the game, ensure you know how to play it. Take a practice, take a test, and see how good you are before you rush to quit your job. But I'm just telling you that it's possible, and people are doing it in a modern world. They're just playing game and they're making a lot of money. And this is becoming very popular, not just in the Philippines, but also in Indonesia, in Nigeria, and even in the United States of America. People are just catching fun, playing game, and they're making money from it. So if you're excited with where you do fun things and make a lot of money, subscribe to my channel now, because that's what this channel is for. To catch fun and make money. That's all I do here. I catch fun, I make money. You catch fun and make money. That's what we are doing here. So it doesn't have to be stressful. It doesn't have to be do or die, fighting to prove a point. What have you proven for 30 years? So subscribe to this channel now and like this video so that all of us will join this group of people that earn money by just playing games. People are smashing the like button, smashing the subscribe button, and making money. I'm talking a lot when my mates are playing games. So let me go and join them and play this game. Axie, where are you? Come, I'm ready. Pay me in pesos. Thank you.